Hi, I'm Patrick, and today I'm going to show you how AUTOMAITED can supercharge your spreadsheet to SAP automations. In this example, the user is copying over data from a spreadsheet into an ERP system, copying over the name, the date in a different format, the address split into zip code and city, and the street name. The employee is doing this for several times in a row, and like this, the AI assistant from AUTOMAITED recognizes a pattern and builds an automation. After row 3, the employee in this case sees smart buttons. With one click, the employee can now copy over data from the spreadsheet into the ERP system. This works for every cell in the spreadsheet now. Even whole rows can be transferred into the ERP system with just one click. That's how easy it is to build automations with AUTOMAITED.